You have to think it's something good when the box says, "Warning, opening this box may cause extreme joy." Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and you know what? It is that time of year when you get a special package from a group called Pink Door Fabrics out of Colorado, and the box talks about whatever's inside is going to bring a lot of joy. As you know, I may be a Tula Pink fan, and it may be time for the next Tula Pink release. And so I am not sponsored, I'm not an affiliate, I have nothing to do with Pink Door. If you decide to purchase from them and move over there, that's awesome. But again, I have no association with them other than I subscribe to them on a semi-annual basis to get the newest Tula Pink goodies without having to chase it down. So without further ado, let's rip into this box because I want to see what extreme joy is in there. So as always, the box is packed all the way to the hilt. It is loaded with all kinds of goodies and fun stuff and that for us to look at. And it always does come with a what's inside the box. So what's inside this box? It says Prince Charming Deja Vu Edition. Welcome to your Prince Charming Deja Vu Pink Door box, inspired by Tula Pink's beloved reimagining of her most iconic collections. This box is filled with exclusive notions, custom accessories, and coordinating sewing goodies designed to make every project feel magical. So I do get more than just the fabric from Pink Door. So it is a subscription box, and it is about what's inside and what's happening there. So let's take a look. So the first thing is a bow, B-O-W, tutorial. It says it's a perfect way to use your scraps. It is a pattern by Christine Lockhart at Pink Spool, and must have been done for Pink Door Fabrics. So pretty cool. Look at that. How cool is that? In a way to eat up some of your scraps, even if it's not Tula Pink, right? But you know, who has more than just Tula Pink scraps? Next, next is Pink Door Fabrics. Oh, actually, so you know we're sticker people, right? So this talks about Quilter, Pink Door, Rotary Cutter Survivor, So Happy Together, Just Keep Stitching. So some really cute first time stickers from Pink Door. So those are pretty awesome. I'm trying to get the glare off for you guys, sorry. So these are really cute. What's next in the box is designer ribbon pack. It is the designer ribbons by Tula Pink for the Prince Charming collection. I'll be honest, I have gotten these now a couple of times. They are sitting on my Tula Pink shelf. I have not used the first one yet, but I do appreciate that Renaissance has these, and I appreciate getting those. And at some point, we will get those done as well. I'm assuming, yeah, I got webbing. Unfortunately, mine fell out of the package, but this is the webbing that came with this collection. I'm going to try to see if I can't get it to work back in the package like it was supposed to, because it will be a while before John gets to it, and it looks like it was just overstuffed as part of the reason it looks like it may have fallen apart to begin with. So we'll play with this offline and get this all taped and put back together. All right, what else is in there? I got a so let's not jump. I'm jumping around. So the fabric pattern by Christine Lockhart, a divided tablet tote pattern by Ma Tante Quilting. So let me see if I can find that. Oh, So this is 3 exterior options with a padded divider pocket. So this is another combination, and that is probably what the webbing came for. And there is a look at it inside, and it is a divided tote. So I may end up doing that at some point. I don't know that I'll necessarily use my Tula Pink for it, but I do appreciate and enjoy having that. All right, so those are the featured patterns. Notions, we get exclusive zippers. So some exclusive zippers. Your box includes 1 custom match zipper and 1 of 5 exclusive Prince Charming Deja Vu colorways. So that is 1, and I don't see any others, but it may be down in there, so we'll get to it later. What else is in the box? This is kind of fun, guys. English paper piecing. Everything you need to begin stitching. Beautiful clamshell motifs, perfect for portable hand sewing and endless creative possibilities. And that is this one. So paperback. Oh, so how cool is that with all the paper? So again, something nice, nothing I have done before, but we will see. Small swivel clips. Oh, got 2 of those. I already showed you the ribbons, already showed you the webbing, and they also provided custom labels. And so those are fun. I have not put any of these on my quilts yet, but I am getting a nice little collection of these. And I need to get better about adding some of those kind of special touches to the quilts, especially as I get into the binding and that, but I have not done that. What else did I get? I got the Sew On The Go tin, an exclusive collectible storage tin, complete with a spool of Wonderful confetti thread, perfect for keeping your EPP supplies organized wherever creativity takes you. And that is this tin here. Oh, it really is kind of cute. So it is this little tin. It does say Pink Door Sew On The Go. So it makes it look like it's like one of the fish, whatever those fish things, sardines and that, right, tin. But it's pretty easy open. So, but come on, John. But it is really kind of cute. So I do like that. And again, it's all in that Tula collection, right? What else did we get? We got the stickers, which I've already shown you. We got a notepad. It says, don't forget. So we did get a notepad this month, or this half year. Custom pin set. Where's my custom pin set? Look at this. It says Professional Project Starter, Stitch Happens, Seam Ripper Survivor. Jotter pins, measure twice, cut once. Gel pins, pack of 3. So those are what those look like. And if I turn it correctly, you can read the wording on there. So again, pretty cute. Like I said, there's a lot of extras that you get in here just besides the fabric bundle. But, you know, we all buy it for the fabric bundle. So they do give you the coordinating fabrics to go with the collection. This is the Tula Pink Sodlets. There's 4 in there. And they're, let me see for sure. Coordinating Prince Charming Solid. These, it doesn't say, but I think these are 1 yard cuts. Maybe half yard. Half yard is what I typically buy. So we'll see. But anyways, the coordinating fabrics, but then we get into the real thing, right, guys? It is that new Prince Charming collection. And so I am super, super psyched over this new collection. I cannot wait to dig into this, play with it, and break this all up. As you know, Art East has a new pattern to go with this collection. So I didn't need to get the collection from them, but I probably will buy the Art East piece and maybe look at doing my first Art East pattern. I have not done one with them yet, and I would like to see what all John does put together. So we will take a look. So guys, that's John at Guyscraft 2. I appreciate you dropping in. Hey, hit that subscribe button, please. Hit the thumbs up. Please leave a comment. If you like this box and what's in there, put a comment below to tell me what you liked about this box. What was one thing that you think is the best part of the box, other than the fact that we got Tula fabric again, who is just awesome. She is such an amazing designer, and hopefully one day I'll be blessed enough to actually get to meet her. So I appreciate your time this morning. Hope that you all have an amazing week as always. And guys, until next time, happy crafting.